So today, you'll learn how to turn the camera timer on your OnePlus 13 on or off. So the first step is to launch the camera app. Then from here, to access your timer, you need to start by tapping on this menu icon in the top right corner. Next, you should see the timer, and currently it's set to off. So if you want to enable it, you have 2 options to choose from. You have 3 seconds and 10 seconds. So for example, if I choose 10 seconds like that, it means now whenever I'm starting to take a photo or a video, I'll have a timer counting down from 10 seconds all the way back to 1 until it starts taking the photo or video. To stop the timer, just tap on this icon here and the timer will be stopped. You can go back and choose a different timing option. So you have 3 seconds as well. So just tap on it. And then you should see the shutter has been replaced with a number. Then you can just start the timer countdown until it takes the photo. If you want to turn the timer off, just select the off option. And then now, whether you're taking a photo or a video, you should no longer have a timer appearing on your screen. So it's completely up to you to decide how you want to utilize this camera timer. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.